Everyone, and a fool. I talk about fire truck. Here's my fire truck. But it's not a real fire truck. Look on the bottom. It can make noise. See, my dad built for me. This is my fire truck. A fire truck have a part. This is the ladder. There's quite on top. But be careful when you fall down. Don't fall down. Be careful when you fall down. But firemen can work on a fire truck. These are the machines. On the back have ladders, but there are also ladders on the top. Many fire trucks have a smoke event. When you look into the fire truck, you can see many weapons. Okay, you know what it is? This is hold the bomb. Like this. It's hold it. But don't bump to it. You can be fall down into the fire truck. The fire truck have a spread strip. This spread strip spin around. This looks like gear teeth, but it's not a gear teeth. This is the suspension. It's hold onto the suspension, and the other one spin around. Okay, look in the cab. You can see many things, but not many of them. On the back have shovels. What was this? A deep hammer and a push them. Just crush the building down. A fire extinguisher and a hose. Many fire trucks have a net, but not just all of them. Fire trucks can be both fire trucks. Fire trucks have wheels, but many don't have wheels. This is the machines. This is the machines, and this is the weapon they use. They pick out weapons. But this is the real ladder. The ladder they use is a big ladder. Time to put out the fire. There are more holes, but there are more holes on top. 2 grabbing things and 2 fire extinguishers and a pump. Fire trucks have exhaust. These exhausts don't use, but they can have a problem. When the fire truck is in the water, there is an compartment too. This close. I will show you the compartment. It's here. This compartment holds the ladder. There are there are more compartments on the other side too. Well, there are more exhausts too. But fire trucks don't have more exhaust. There are 5 of them. There are 4 of them on the top, and 1 of them on the top. This is called the ladder tops. When you place the ladder tops on this side, the ladder on that side will bend the ladder around. These gears by holding by the compartment chamber. This compartment chamber turns one before the wheels stop in 2 minutes, and the wheel holds onto the ladder with a parachute spring. this is called the collection chamber. It's firstly have a line put grab onto the ladder and throw them. This is called the put over. This have a holding place on the top. It's hold on tightly. It turn round by two pushing green back. There are three wheels, but fire trucks can look like a train too. Fire trucks are the most kind of trucks. There are more of them. You can see fire trucks in every place. And that is the end. Bye-bye.